6 Best Food for Kidney Disease. Number 1. Egg whites. Although egg yolks are very nutritious, they contain high amounts of phosphorus, making egg whites a better choice for people following a renal diet. Egg whites provide a high-quality, kidney-friendly source of protein. Number 2. Barley. Barley water is a magical drink for urinary tract infections. It works as a diuretic that increases urination and flushes out toxins from the body. Barley water is an excellent solution for kidney stones and cysts too. This drink is recommended in children and adult age groups daily till the urine infection subsides. Number 3. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is a versatile vegetable for people with chronic kidney disease. With the right preparation, it makes a good replacement for foods such as rice, mashed potatoes, and even pizza crust. Cauliflower also contains a range of nutrients without providing too much sodium, potassium, or phosphorus. Number 4. Bell peppers. Bell peppers contain an impressive amount of nutrients but are low in potassium, unlike many other vegetables. These brightly colored peppers are loaded with the powerful antioxidant vitamin C. They are also loaded with vitamin A, an important nutrient for immune function, which is often compromised in people with kidney disease. Number 5. Cabbage. Cabbage is a leafy vegetable that may be beneficial for people with chronic kidney disease. It is relatively low in potassium and very low in sodium, yet it also contains many helpful compounds and vitamins. Number 6. Garlic. People with kidney problems are advised to limit the amount of sodium in their diet, including added salt. Garlic is an excellent seasoning choice for people with chronic kidney disease. It can give other foods a more satisfying, full flavor, which may reduce the need for extra salt. Garlic also offers a range of health benefits. Thank you for watching.